In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to clear cache on your iPhone running iOS 26. Let's get started. There are a few different ways to do this depending on what type of cache you want to remove. First, if you want to clear your browser cache, go to Settings. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, you'll need to find Safari and launch it. Now scroll down. You're going to find this option Clear History and Website Data. Click on that. Checking for the option All History, enable for the option Close All Tabs, then click on the option Clear History. This removes your browsing history, cookies, and cached websites. Next, if you want to clear cache for specific apps, head back, go back to the main page of Settings, click on General, click on iPhone Storage. Here you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Navigate to the app for which you want to clear cache. Just launch the app, click on Upload app, click on Upload app, wait for a few minutes and then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache for the specific app. If you want a deeper clean, you can delete the apps entirely and reinstall it from App Store. Finally, you can also perform a system level cache clear using a soft reset. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. And finally, hold the side button until your screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. This refreshes the system memory without deleting any of your data. All your photos, apps, and files stay safe, but temporary system cache gets cleared. And that's it. This way you are able to clear cache on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.